How to use the newest weapons in Fortnite. To use the newest weapons in Fortnite, you need to follow a few key steps to equip and use them effectively in the game. Firstly, stay updated on the game. Ensure that you have the latest version of Fortnite. New weapons are usually available in chests, supply drops, or from certain NPCs. Some weapons may appear exclusively in specific LTMs, so be sure to check the current game modes for any new additions. New weapons may be tied to map changes or events, and also make sure to pay attention to changes in the island such as new location or specific events where new weapons are featured. Now finally, when you find a new weapon, walk over it and press the corresponding button to pick it up. On console, this is usually Square, Xbox or EPC for interacting with items. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.